So, how to install WordPress locally on your computer? Doesn't matter whether it's a Mac or PC, it's not difficult at all. So, there are free services, MAMP or WAMP server or Bitnami. I never used Bitnami anyway, but people say Bitnami is a little bit slow. I don't know. So all the time I use MAMP, but now I have found another a great service which is free and fast. I'll show you how to install WordPress locally on your computer. Like I said before, doesn't matter whether you are using Mac or PC or Linux. So if you like these kind of tutorials about internet marketing, you can subscribe, and if you like this video, you can give me a thumbs up as well. So let's go to the screen without wasting your time. Localwp.com. You will see on the screen. Of course, they have pricing. I mean, there are pro versions as well. So $20 for 1 month, priority support, live links, and instant reload, broken link checker. But we only need free version, which is great, right? So in free version, we have one-click local WordPress installation, SSL support, and these all the other options as well. So let's go to download, and then so it's free and always will be. I said okay, when someone's searching how to install WordPress locally on your computer, it doesn't matter whether it's Mac or Windows or Linux, right? I am using Mac, and then you need to put your first name, last name, you can put your work email, right? And you don't have to put phone number. I don't need to put it anyway. So and then it will download, okay, and then install like normal application. Once you install, click it, just open, okay, blah blah blah, I agree. So you can turn on error reporting or no, blah blah blah, local automatically send errors and warnings back to the team so we can catch. Why not, right? It's up to you. Okay, I will show you that I am bringing this website to live version. Okay, it's really easy stuff. So it looks like you haven't created any site because I uninstalled everything because of I wanted to do this tutorial. So create a new site, so you can put whatever you want. I mean, I don't know your website's name, right? And then there are two options. You can go custom or you can go preferred, right? So PHP, this is the newest version at the moment, and the web server and MySQL version as well. If you want, you can go custom, but I mean, I just need to do this easily, so I prefer the preferred method. Okay, and then continue, and then you can put a WordPress username. Let's say Nimantha, right? WordPress password. So let's say, I mean, I will change this. I'm pretty sure I will change this later. Okay, and then WordPress email. Okay, but save these login details somewhere because we need these details later. Add site. There you go. It doesn't take that much long. So downloading WordPress, adding WordPress, installing WordPress, so everything is going automatically. So I just put this website name as a 1 week to drive. Actually, I need to build a new website to one of my clients, so that's why I put this name. But maybe I will change it later. That's okay. So these are the details: web server, PHP version, database. Okay, everything is there. And then you can click on admin, like super fast. So I put Nimantha, right? Nimantha and the password, and then login. Maybe I can remember. Okay, I will save it. This is how it looks like. It's just like a normal website, right? So difference is it works from locally. I think it's super fast. So and then so I use Divi Builder. I will put the link below if you like to buy it. It's a great thing. I'm using Divi Builder years. It's a good one. I really like Divi Builder. So I will take some times and build a normal looking website. So here is the website. It's a nice looking. I'm hungry. That's why I choose this template. Because maybe you guys saw my site's name. So 1 week to drive or something I put, but it's a pizza template. Just doing this for you guys because I don't want to waste your time, and I don't want to choose for the best theme for which matches to my website name, I just want to show you. So this is a live version. So let's imagine this is the newest domain. Okay, you just install a WordPress like normal way. You can use it manually, like you can create a database and you can create a password and you can create a username. You can install WordPress manually, or you can easily, this is one of my servers, so Bluehost, or you can just easily go here, apps installer, right? This is the website we just made. Just imagine this is one of the default theme. I just installed this theme. Okay, so I am going to put this website into this website, right? So to do that, you need to go plugin of both of websites. That's okay, leave, and install a new plugin at new, and you can search all in one. Don't be confused, there's a SEO plugin all in one. You need exactly this one, all in one, WP migration. So install this one. This is the local site, and go to our live site and plugin, so add new and do the same, all in one. Okay, so I hope you understand. Put a comment below if you have any question. So what I'm going to do is, now I want to go to local website. Okay, and click on this, and then you can click on export to. There are so many options. Okay, you can export to file, FTP, Dropbox, Google Drive, so many options. But what we need is, we only need file. Take some time checking extension compatibility, then you need to download this file. It is downloading. Already downloaded, my internet is good. And then go to our live version here and then import. Put a comment below if you have any question. Then you have to click import from file. So what we do is, we import that file, so this one, and then open. Okay, doesn't take that long time, so I will not cut this part. So you can see everything. Okay, so now it's uploading. Tell you a small story. My internet was not that good like 1-2 weeks ago, but I changed the connection. Now it's much better. Thank you. Prepare and import. Please do not close this browser window or your anything. Okay, so the import process will override your website, including the database, media, plugins, themes. This process will erase everything, and then will put the website you develop on locally. Proceed. That means we are saying, okay, erase all the files and put our website into this live version. Restoring a lot of files, 1281 files, and then complete. Your site has been imported successfully. Okay, finish. So this is the URL, right? I will open a private window, incognito window, and then I will put it. Okay, so you can see Nimandada's new. So what we develop on locally just imported to our new domain, right? New website. I don't have a new domain, so I just this is why I made a folder, right? And there is something I have to tell you. The username. Remember the username you gave when you make the local site and the password. So you need those two, because when you upload your local website to live website, that username and password are also coming to the new website. Okay, so that's how you install WordPress locally on your computer. Like I said, you can see, you can choose PC or Mac or Linux even. Doesn't matter. You can just select your platform from drop down. So if you like internet marketing, if you like to learn internet marketing, you can subscribe. I make a video every second day about internet marketing, so SEO, web designing, and social media. So this is what I'm doing for a living. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up as well. So see you in the next video.